This is a recording of the derivative of cosine, basically how to find the derivative of this function. It is on page 329 of your textbook. To start, note the two property. Cosine of x is equal to sine bracket pi divided by 2 minus x. And also sine of x is equal to cosine of bracket pi divided by 2 minus x. These two properties will be used to convert cosine into this and sine back to cosine, vice versa. So to begin, we need to write the derivative of cosine. So f prime of x equals d dx of cosine of x. Now we will begin by substituting the property we mentioned above. Cosine x is equal to sine bracket pi divided by 2 minus x into here, which would then become this function. If we take the derivative of sine with another function in it, we will use a rule we learned before, d dx of sine of that function. To derive that, you get cosine f of x of that function, bracket, so this whole thing, times f prime of x. So whatever sine is, with this function, it becomes cosine of that function, and the derivative after that will be this part here, which is that function sine. Having said that, this is what the result will be. Cosine bracket pi divided by 2 minus x. So following this, then we need to take a derivative what this function is, pi divided by 2 minus x. Remember the difference rule? You take the derivative of this one and minus the derivative of that one. Derivative of this, pi divided by 2 is 0, and derivative of x is 1. Well, negative 1 in this case. Then you get sine x times negative 1, which will give you negative sine x. So, recap. F prime of x, taking the derivative of cosine x, is, well, d dx of cosine of x is equal to negative sine of x. And proof that I've shown is, starting from here, is performed by knowing these properties. So on the exam, we need to prove cosine of x. Remember how these two relationships exist. Thank you.